If you want to learn to play double kick like this, or like this, or even this, then you're in luck, because today I'm bringing in one of the world's best metal drummers named Chris Turner. Together we created the world's greatest double kick masterclass that is available right now, and I'm giving you a free lesson from it. So let's jump in.
Guys, welcome to the episode about my kick drumming concept. This is essentially my personal little trick of the trade, which allows me to play all of the fast, complex kick patterns that I play. In the last session, we looked at even groupings on the kick, and for the most part, it was fairly simple. But today, we're going to start looking at odd groupings on the kick, and this introduces a world of problems. Let me show you why. I'm going to play some groups of 3 for you, leading with my dominant leg. I'm going to do this example in my hands to make it a bit more visual, but I think it will get the point across quite clearly. Here we go. I'm now going to remove my left hand, my left leg, just to show you exactly what your right leg is playing in this pattern. Doesn't actually stop, it's constantly going. I'm now going to remove my right leg, my right hand, and show you what your other leg is doing. This is a massive imbalance, and this is not how you maximize 2 pedals. You cannot make efficient use of both limbs if one of them is severely overworked with no rest, and if the other is severely underworked with too much rest. What we need to do is even this out, have equal workload, equal rest time, and then we will be able to play much faster, much more powerful, and for a much greater period of time. My approach to solving this is by alternating every group. So when using odd numbers, I wouldn't play right, left, right, right, left, right, or I wouldn't play left, right, left, left, right, left. I would play right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Let me show you how this same example looks when using this footing. I'll now show the other leg. That's better. So every time you use an odd grouping, make sure you alternate which foot leads. We're going to start with some groups of 3. We're going to get our feet moving, no hands just yet, and we're going to feel really confident in alternating feet. We've done a lot of prep for this. We've been flipping all our exercises so far, so hopefully you're ready and confident enough, but let's give this a go. We're now going to introduce a quarter note with our right hand over these groups of 3. I've been secretly training you up this whole time to get used to this kind of cross coordination and to get used to playing things together and not flamming them. But I really want you to put a lot of effort into this now. Everything has to be very evenly spaced, evenly powered. We want this whole thing to sound great, okay? It sounds something like this. Once you've finished that exercise, we're going to do the same thing, but with the quarter note in our left hand. And now we're going to attempt to play this same group of 3 pattern, but with our classic groove over the top. So we're going to get the quarter note going and the snares on 3, okay? It's going to sound like this. It is going to require a lot of practice. Make sure you're doing it all day, every day to make it second nature. So you don't need to be behind your drum kit. You can tap your feet anywhere. Wake up in the morning, sit on the edge of your bed and smash out some groups of 3. Whether you're eating breakfast or dinner at the table, be tapping away. Annoy everyone, doesn't matter, this is a bigger cause. Everywhere you go, alternate your odd groupings until it becomes second nature.
Now, if you're looking to drastically improve the overall speed, power, control, and coordination of the double kick, we've got good news for you. That's why we've created 30-day double kick mastery. Not only will you gain up to 75 BPM on your double kick in just 30 days, but we also include insane bonuses like live group coaching calls with me and Chris throughout throughout the course, our metal song success system, where you can learn a ton of your favorite metal songs in half the time. People who get the pro package will also get my custom DBO lightweight beaters and so much more. But there's only 210 spots available total, and a lot of them have already been taken up. So if you want to secure your spot in 30-day double kick mastery before it's sold out, click right here to be one of the lucky 200, and the first 100 people who join will get the chance to win a free Pearl Eliminator double kick pedal, which is what I use. Let's hop back into the lesson.
When you're comfortable with that, we're going to up the grouping in our feet to the next odd number, which is of course 5. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to start off just getting comfortable playing it in our feet, alternating which foot leads, and then we're going to introduce a quarter note in our right hand and then a quarter note in our left hand. And when you feel confident with that, everything's super metrically accurate, it's sounding great, it's powerful, it's even, it's consistent. We're now going to go over to that groove and play the same example. I know that this may still feel quite uncomfortable. In fact, it should feel uncomfortable at this stage. This is quite advanced four-limb coordination. It's completely foreign to anything you've done on a drum kit before, but this is the best practice you can get into at this stage. I'm sure you've already guessed it, but for the third example of this session is going to be just the next odd number up. We're going to hit that group of 7 and work through the same system. Get comfortable in your feet, incorporate the quarter note between each hand, and build it up to the groove.
If you want to secure your spot in 30-day double kick mastery before it's totally sold out, well then click right here. I'll see you there. Peace.